Imagine it's 2007. iPhone just dropped. You're hype. You buy it. Then you do it again every year. Now what if instead, every time you were about to buy that new iPhone, you invested the same cash into the S&P 500? Here's the regret versus reward punch. Regret, the box, the flex, the unboxing rush, and then it depreciates. Reward, boring index fund. Zero clout, but it compounds quietly while you sleep. Let's keep it simple. From the original iPhone to today, call it roughly 18-19 releases. Average price, around $900 over the years. That's about 16 to 17 grand spent to stay current. If I took that same money and drip-fed it into an S&P 500 index fund every year, just when the new phone launched, history says I'd average around 9 to 10% a year over the long run. Translation? Those yearly phones could have snowballed to somewhere in the ballpark of $40,000 to $60,000 today. Some years brutal, some years bonkers, but the graph trends up and to the right. And here's the kicker. I'd still have a perfectly fine phone, because you don't need the Pro Max Titanium every single cycle. So picture two timelines. In timeline A, I'm paying for speed bumps I barely feel after a week. The camera's 3% better. The battery's 12% better, and my bank account is 100% lighter. In timeline B, I let compounding do its quiet thing. No confetti, no status, just growing buying power. Regret says, if only I started back then. Reward says, start now, so future you doesn't roast present you. You don't need to be extreme. Try a simple rule. Upgrade your phone every 3 years, not every year. The 2 years you skip, invest what you would have spent into an S&P 500 index fund. Automate it on release month so you still get the ritual. Then protect the habit. Set it and forget it. Auto invest beats mood swings. Keep fees low. Index funds or ETFs with tiny expense ratios. Don't chase timing. Buy the dip? Great. Missed it? Still buy. Here's a tiny mindset shift. Every shiny upgrade asks, do you want a dopamine hit today or a dividend of options tomorrow? Phones are tools. Investments are time machines. If you're feeling that twinge of regret right now, that's good. It means you care. Convert it into the reward of starting small today. Not perfect, just consistent. So, next launch week, ask yourself, do I want a slightly better phone or a dramatically better future? Your move.